I was working with the AI company. Yeah, I used to work remotely, but this company has shut down, so I had to find a new job and just went to Ecom Sniper and living from it since 3 months now. And really good results. I don't have like to make 5,000 a month to live from it. It's giving me time to learn like and how I can improve. But if you want to get more into it, you need more time. So I think like having all those time, I can put myself more into it.
Right, and that will give you the opportunity to take it to making $5,000, $10,000 a month.
Yes, in the morning, that's the first thing I'm doing, like going to my eBay account and I look up for that sale. I was like, oh, I made a big one, so it was like $200 item, and just verify it on how much I did on Amazon and saw like $100. Like that's crazy.
All right, what's up guys? Mark Augustine here. In this video, I have Olivier. You guys who have followed me, you would see a lot of the other guys from Ecom Sniper. This is one of the members from Ecom Sniper who's actually drop shipping on eBay from Vietnam. In the Ecom Sniper group, he posted that he made $100 in one sale. And I was planning to record some videos tonight, but when I saw that, I was like, do you want to record a video? And I think it's important to get these things when it happens, because a lot of emotion happens and there's a lot of things going on, and you guys on YouTube could share that and learn from that. So we'll go into what happened, how he made $100 in one sale, what he did before, how he felt about it. But anyway, before all of that, Olivier, you want to introduce yourself really quickly?
Hey guys, I'm Olivier. I'm doing drop shipping with Ecom Sniper since like 3 months. And before I had no experience in drop shipping at all in e-commerce. I really started with doing drop shipping with Ecom Sniper. And yeah, so I'm living remotely in Southeast Asia since like 2 years now. And before I was working with the AI company, it's called Outlier. And I used to work remotely, but this company has shut down, so I had to find a new job and just went to Ecom Sniper and living from it since 3 months now. And really good result for like in only 3 months in a domain that I didn't had any knowledge. That's crazy. Like I can already live from it. Like,
and this is really off topic. Like we want to get back to this $100, but I think your story is interesting because you have people from the US or in the US or in Canada who may want to drop ship because the cost of living there is like you need to make $3,000 to $5,000. A lot of people don't have the time or to take the risk of doing it. And like for instance, when I started to drop ship, I was living in like Central America. And then I moved to Nicaragua to have the ability to figure it out. So I think it's really cool that you're actually living off of dropshipping.
yeah, and like living in a country like that I don't have like to make 5,000 a month to live from it. It's like it's giving me time to learn like and how I can improve, and like it's taking time. Like you can do it like with 1 or 2 hours, but if you want to get more into it, you need more time. So I think like having all those time, and I can put myself more into it.
Right. And that will give you the opportunity to take it to making $5,000, $10,000 a month.
Yeah, that's the goal.
So Olivier also has a YouTube channel. If you've seen it on my channel, I'll put a link to his channel, so go check it out, go subscribe, and it will also show up in your channel as well, Olivier.
Yeah, guys, you can go watch my videos. I'm doing like product substitution, talking about mindset and really everything about like freelancing mindset, ecom. So let's look for that, guys.
So I remember when I used to drop ship, and like I used to make when I told this story before, I got into drop shipping and I made $3 and I was happy, and I just was trying to figure out how to double it, right? And it took me a long time to make $100 with one sale. So you made $100 with one sale, and how did you feel? Like what happened?
Yeah, so this morning I woke up and like first thing, because I'm selling on the US market. So like when I'm sleeping, it's like when I'm getting my, so like in the morning, that's the first thing I'm doing, like going to my eBay account and I look up for that sale. I was like, oh, I made a big one. So it was like $200 item, and just verify it on how much I did on Amazon and saw like $100. Like that's crazy. Like
Right, right.
especially here, like because I'm in Vietnam, that's almost my rent, like in
With
one
one
sale.
sale.
Yeah, with one sale. And like today I had 10 sales. They're not like $100 profit sales, but still, like that's only one sale. That's the craziest thing. Like,
You wanna share your screen really quickly just to show like some of the numbers and so
yeah,
on.
went to see my order here. my today revenue, I did 450 Canadian dollars.
Right.
And go look to that cell, through that cell. So you can see I'm doing $211. And when I went to Amazon and looked, that the item was only $78 because it was 120 markup. And those 120 markup on this kind of items is really profitable. That's make my day, bro.
Right, right. So you have a mixed bulk listing and product substitution.
Yeah, and sniping also.
Right, yeah, because today, like one or two of my bulk listing items sold.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's great.
And what are you doing? So how many listings do you have right now? Are you doing sniping and product substitution every day? Like what are you doing right now?
Like now I'm sitting on 9,000 listings and like I have the 3 days payout delivery. Like, so I need to be careful sometimes with my order because I don't have like that much of capital. So I need to wait like to get some funds sometimes to fill up my order. So
Right.
I'm doing product substitution like twice or 3 times a day, a week. And yeah,
Ah, right, 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 right.
focusing really like on the big margin items. So with my liquidity, I can really profit from it. So
Right, right. So you're doing a balance between like high margin with bulk listing, but when
yeah,
you're doing sniping or price substitution, you're still looking for high margin.
yeah, particularly with like the product substitution, sometimes I can make like 4 times the initial price on Amazon. So and
So
those
check
items sell.
this, just to give you a hint. Next time you're doing product substitution, look at like the category of like gazebos. Because of the sizes, most people don't search for the brand, so you could get sizes and titles for stuff that's like $300 or $500, and then get replacements for like $100 on Amazon.
That would be great. I need to look up for that. Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, guys, so I hopefully you guys it was interesting to have this conversation right when you were when you got the sale and so on. It's an emotional thing to make $100 in one sale, right? It always reminds you of the work that you're putting in that it actually is paying off itself.
Yeah, and like for me, I just want to say like before I didn't have knowledge in ecom, and I thought maybe it was like sometimes people look up for scam everywhere, but like it is real. Like so, just for the old version of me, like
Right, right. Okay, sweet. So, guys, again, like, subscribe. I'll put a link to Olivier's YouTube channel. And if you guys have any specific questions for Olivier, I'll put a link to a Telegram group that is specifically for Olivier. So you can check out our link and you can connect with him directly, ask any questions. Have a good one, guys.